The electric car war is heating up, and two Chinese giants are fighting for your money. On one side, the BYD Dolphin Surf, the cheapest mainstream electric car in Europe. On the other, the all-new MG4 EV Urban, MG's answer with a bigger body and more range. Today we compare these two budget EV kings head-to-head, and the results might surprise you. Let's start with the BYD Dolphin Surf. It is the European name for the famous BYD Seagull, a compact city hatchback that took the world by storm. In the UK it starts at just £18,650, with launch prices in Germany dipping below €20,000. That is less than half the price of an average new car in Europe. The Dolphin Surf offers three trims. The Active with a 30 kWh battery, the Boost with 43.2 kWh, and the Top Comfort with a more powerful 115 kW motor producing 156 horsepower. The Comfort sprints to 100 km per hour in 9.1 seconds. Range figures are honest and city-focused. 220 km for the Active, up to 322 km for the Boost, all measured on the WLTP cycle. The 43.2 kWh Comfort manages 310 km. Real world, expect around 250 km of stress-free driving. Charging is where the Surf plays it smart. DC fast charging up to 85 kilowatts gets you from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. It also comes with vehicle to load, meaning you can power camping gear or appliances straight from the car. That is standard on every trim. Now the MG4 EV Urban. This is the second generation MG4, completely redesigned on SAIC's new E3 platform with cell-to-body construction. It is a much bigger car. 4.39 meters long with a 2.75 meter wheelbase, compared to the Surf's compact 4 meters. The Urban offers 42.8 and 53.9 kilowatt-hour LFP batteries, with a 110 to 118 kilowatt motor. 0 to 100 in around 9.5 seconds, top speed 160 kilometers per hour. WLTP range is up to 416 kilometers on the bigger pack. Inside, the Urban flexes hard. A 15.6-inch 2.5K central screen powered by a Snapdragon processor, a 10.25-inch digital cluster, and physical buttons for climate control. The Dolphin Surf counters with a 10.1-inch rotatable touchscreen and a 5-inch cluster. Both are modern, but the MG feels a class above. Space is a clear win for the MG. 577 liters of boot capacity in Europe, plus extra underfloor storage, versus 308 liters for the Surf. If you have a family, the Urban swallows prams, luggage, and everything else without breaking a sweat. Both cars hold 5-star Euro NCAP safety ratings, which is remarkable at these prices. The Surf adds BYD's God's Eye ADAS suite, while the Urban brings a full safety package with its updated platform. Cheap no longer means unsafe, and these two prove it. On price, the Surf wins. £18,650 in the UK versus £23,495 for the Urban. But the Urban gives you 50% more range, a bigger cabin, and newer tech. It is the classic question, do you want the cheapest, or the best value? The charging story is a near tie. 85 kilowatts for the BYD, 87 for the MG, both hitting 30 minutes for a 10 to 80% charge. The Urban adds battery preconditioning for faster charging in cold weather, a small but clever touch. Here is where it gets interesting. MG offers the Urban with an optional 70 kWh semi-solid-state battery, one of the first affordable EVs with this cutting-edge technology. BYD fires back with its second-generation Blade battery, which can charge from 10 to 97% in just 9 minutes. Both brands are building these cars in Europe. MG at its plant in Hungary, and BYD planning its own Hungarian factory. That means European buyers get true local support, faster delivery, and better prices. So which one should you buy? If you want the absolute cheapest entry into a brand new electric car, and you mostly drive in the city, the BYD Dolphin Surf is unbeatable. It's the best-selling EV in South Africa just months after launch, and for good reason. But if you need space for a family, longer road trips, and the latest tech, the MG4 EV Urban is the smarter buy. Bigger, faster, more practical, with up to 416 kilometers of range and a semi-solid-state option for the future-minded. 2 cars, 2 philosophies, one winner depends on you. The BYD Dolphin Surf and the MG4 EV Urban are redefining what budget electric cars can be. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more electric car comparisons. Thanks for watching.